Hello student of class 11, this is the continuation part of the previous video of AP. This is the 6th video. If sum number 25, if x term is 1 by y and y term is 1 by x of an AP, and that means x term is 1 by y term is 1 by x, and xy term is equal to 1, find not find, we have to prove summation of xy term equal to half xy plus 1. Okay, solution. A first term, let A first term and B common difference. So we have Tx this equal to A plus x minus 1 into D, this equal to 1 by y. Ty A plus y minus 1 into D, this equal to 1 by x, and Txy this equal to A plus xy minus 1 into D, this equal to 1. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. From 1 and 2 we have, from 1 and 2 we have 1 by y minus 1 by x, this equal to x minus 1 minus y plus 1 into D. This is equal to x minus y into D. So we have x minus y by xy, this equal to x minus y into D. So D equal to 1 by xy. Okay, here x not equal to y. From 3 we have A plus xy minus 1 into 1 by xy equal to D. So A plus 1 minus 1 by xy, this equal to 1, this equal to 1. So A equal to 1 by xy equal to D, right? Sxy this equal to xy by 2, 2A plus xy minus 1 into D, xy by 2, 2 by xy plus xy minus 1 by xy, xy by 2, 2 by xy plus 1 minus 1 by xy, this equal to, sorry, we can write it in this way. This is xy. So xy by 2, 1 by xy is taken common from here, and xy minus 1, half xy plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Next sum is, if AP consists of n terms, if the sum of its first 3 terms is x and the sum of the last 3 terms is y, then so that the sum of the all terms of the AP is n by 6 x plus y. Solution. Let a1, a2 dash 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 an are the terms of an AP. So sum equal to Sn equal to a1 plus a2, sorry, n by 2 a1 plus an, n by 2 a1 plus d plus an minus d. We can write it in this way. So this equal to a2 plus an minus a2 plus an minus 1 a2 plus an minus 1, and this equal to n by 2, a2 plus d plus an minus 1 minus d, this equal to n by 2 a3 plus an minus 2. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. We add 3 terms, that means Sn equal to n by 2, a1, this is equal to 3 Sn, this equal to n by 2 a1 plus an plus a2 plus an minus 1 plus a3 plus an minus 2. This equal to if the sum of the first 3 terms equal to x, that means a1 plus a2 plus a3 equal to x, and an plus an minus 1 plus an minus 2 equal to y, it is given. So n by 2, a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus an plus an minus 1 plus an minus 2, this equal to n by 2 x plus y. Therefore Sn equal to 3 Sn equal to n by 2. If I add 1, 2, 3, we have n by 2, 3 Sn equal to n by 2, a1 plus an plus a2 plus an minus 1 plus a3 plus an minus 2. N by 2, a1 plus a1, a2 plus a3. After rearranging, we can write a1 plus an minus 1 plus an minus 2 equal to y. This equal to x and this equal to y. I put here. So I will get Sn equal to n by 6 x plus y. The answer is coming. Okay, I am ending here.